Hello students, so as you can see over here, a new topic, adjective Endungen. Before this video, we already saw bestimmt article adjective Endungen. There, I also gave you hint of how to make a rule chart. In the same manner, whenever we are learning any topic, first I normally teach you the rule chart, the tricks of the rule chart, then the explanation of the concept, and the application of the concept. So the steps are, first the rule, second the concept, and third one the application. तो पहले रूल कैसे लिखते हो ये देखो, फिर कंसेप्ट क्या है, मीनिंग क्या है, क्यों यूज करना है वो देखो, और थर्ड कैसे यूज करना है वो देखना है. तो कोई भी टॉपिक ले लो ग्रामर का वीडियो में से, ये तीन कंसेप्ट अगर आपको पता है कि हाउ टू मेक रूल चार्ट, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग बिहाइंड इट, व्हाट इज द कंसेप्ट, व्हाई वी यूज इट, एंड थर्ड important how to use it. These are the important factors. So the first one, as you can see over here, unbestimmt article adjective Endungen. If you haven't watched the previous video, first go through the previous video. Make your articles properly, like you should know bestimmt article properly. Second thing, you should know the bestimmt article adjective Endungen properly. Then only come to this topic. So here, as you can see, there are three columns: nominative, accusative, dative, and we need to mention the articles first. So if you see over here, I have written first articles. All articles you write 1, 2, 3. Like you must have seen in bestimmt article adjective Endungen, I have shown you the steps what to do. First, write only articles. Only articles I had written first. Once you have written the article, then if possible, write this with the red color, if possible. So alt, 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 everywhere you can just write alt, 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 alt. Don't write endings that time. Only alt. Once you have done that, then write nouns. Mann, Frau, Mädchen, Bücher. These words you write then. Once you have written these words, you know, in male only man comes. So man we have written everywhere. You can write your own nouns also, whichever you will remember always, that it has a male gender. Then Frau, Mädchen means girl, but in German its gender is neutral. Bücher is plural, books. So these are all nouns. Now you can take some other color pen or else pencil and then start writing adjective ending. We have to write. We don't have to write article ending. We have to write adjective ending. So you know what is adjective in the rule. Alt is a adjective in the rule. So now, what is the trick behind writing the adjective ending? And I have written down. Standing line I have mentioned and I have written en over there. If you remember, in bestimmt article, I had mentioned L shape and that also opposite side. Yeah. Now here it is only standing line. As you can see, one straight line. That is only this line. Only this line en. Only this line it should end with en. What about others? What about nominative column? What about accusative column? Adjective endings. What to do? I have written over there, remaining all endings like endings of article. But which type of article? Bestimmt article, student. Which type of article? Bestimmt. What does that mean? मुझे क्या कहना है उसके बारे में. जब आप लोग एडजेक्टिव लिख होगे या आप लोगों ने लिख के लिया है एडजेक्टिव, उसके बाद जब आप लोग एंडिंग डालने वाले हो तो तब किसके जैसे एंडिंग डालना है? जो बेस्टिम्ड आर्टिकल का एंडिंग होता है, एडजेक्टिव का नहीं. बेस्टिम्ड आर्टिकल का जो एंडिंग होता है, दैट शुड कम एट द एंड. इफ यू रिमेंबर, बेस्टिम्ड आर्टिकल नॉमिनेटिव में देयर होता है, DER, तो ER डाल दो. फीमेल में दी होता है, DIE, तो E डाल दो. या फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर, अभी ये हमको इमेजिन करना है दिमाग में. यू हैव टू इमेजिन दिस इन योर माइंड. Don't write it over there. For your convenience, I'm writing. So, for example, male is there. So, ER hai. So, it should be same like ER. Female is what? The. So, actually IE is there, but we have to write only E over there. Here, das is there. we have to write es. We don't write as, we write es. Once you know these endings, because this will remain same. Okay, so er, e, es, e, because in plural again it is the, if you remember. In accusative it is den, then. So en hai, so we have written en. The will remain the, means this and this will remain same. This and this again remain same. This and this again remain same. Because here the article remains same, no? Of bestimmt article. So these are some of the small hints, okay? So what you are supposed to do, whatever is the article ending article, that you have to use in adjective ending for unbestimmt article. Yeah. Once, twice, thrice, if you listen the video one more time, you will understand the trick very properly. Once you are done with the trick, this is how to make a rule chart. So standing line en and all the other endings you can make like bestimmt article. Bestimmt article, though it is an unbestimmt article chart, but nominative and accusative column, the adjective ending should be looking like your article ending. Once you know to write the chart, then comes the application of it. As you can see over here, there are 4 sentences which I have given to you all. So in these 4 sentences, das ist ein Großhund. Now student, I have intentionally circled the word to make you watch or to make you observe that only we can use unbestimmt article chart. This is an unbestimmt article chart, and bestimmt article chart you already know how it is. So only one chart is not valid. When article is bestimmt, use bestimmt article adjective ending. When article is unbestimmt, use unbestimmt article adjective ending in chart. So these are 2 different charts. So we have to use it accordingly. Now, how to know whether to put adjective ending or not? One basic universal rule is there which I have written up. Article plus adjective plus noun. If this is the sequence of the words in your sentence, then only you can put adjective endings. Article should be there before adjective and noun should be there after adjective. This is compulsory. At least the noun should be there after adjective. It is compulsory. Okay, students? So, what did I say? You will come to know why did I say that. Das ist ein Großhund. Adjective is what? Gross. Yeah? And before adjective, do you find article? Yes. After adjective, do you find noun? Yes. Then you can put adjective ending. Yeah? So now, you need to know what is Hund over here, because that gross is nothing but big dog. So that big is for that dog. So you should know what is dog in the sentence, whether it is nominative, accusative, dative. Now don't be confused that whose case I need to find. You need to find the case of that noun whose article is written over there, whose adjective is written over there. Okay. So gross Hund. So that adjective gross is for Hund. So you need to know that Hund is what in the sentence. Das ist Hund. If you find it is difficult to understand whether it is a nominative, accusative or dative, just hide the article and the adjective for some time. Hide it. These are the 2 things, you hide it. Yeah. You can hide it. So for example, I have hidden it. Now das ist dash Hund. Das ist Hund. So you will come to know what is Hund then, nominative or accusative. Just description is happening. So it is nominative, das ist Hund. So now you know it is nominative. Once you know it is nominative, you need to go to the nominative chart, and which gender it is, that also is important. Hund is male. So according to male, what article will come? What adjective endungen will come? Because article is already written. So adjective endungen is what? That you have to mention over there. Yeah. Number 2. And when you are mentioning this, students, with the pencil, try to write explanation over there. Why this answer is so. Then you can write over there. I will show you one example. With the pencil you make. I am writing with pen. You write with pencil. Here, up, you can write explanation, or here you can write explanation that it was an unbestimmt article chart. Because this word is there, so it is an unbestimmt article chart. Then, it is nominative case. Because Hund is, we are giving description. And the gender of Hund is male. So this 3 is information is important. Then only you will get to a proper answer. So this explanation I want compulsory of whoever adjective ending when you are writing. Then number 2, ein Großhund is teuer. So here ein word was there, before adjective article was there. After adjective, noun was there. So of course you need to write an ending. Yeah. Ein. Now this Hund is also nominative. If you hide ein and gross, Hund is teuer. So we are describing Hund. So Hund is nominative. So you know what gender is, what you are supposed to do. Now here if you observe teuer, T-E-U-E-R, that is also adjective, students. There also dash is given so that you write the adjective ending. Now whether to write it or whether it is a googly for y'all. Students, this is done because they want you to be tricked. So they write over here like that. So how to identify whether I am supposed to write the adjective endungen or not? Students, after adjective, yeah, after adjective, year, noun should be there. If after adjective year a noun is there, then only you can write adjective ending, or you are not supposed to write adjective ending. If there is no article before adjective and if there is no noun after adjective, you are not supposed to write adjective ending. Just put a cross or just put a dash and just leave that place. Okay, don't also leave it, because if you leave it, that means that you don't know what to do. You can put a cross over there. Okay, so you can do this. Third one, ich kaufe einen groß dash Hund. So here Hund is what? So hide the word einen and groß. Ich kaufe Hund. Hund is accusative because we are doing action on Hund. So from the accusative column, because it is an unbestimmt article chart and it is a male, so what ending will you write for the adjective? Last one, gibt einem Großhund einen Ball. So again you hide the word einen groß. So gibt Hund einen Ball. He gives dog a ball. So dog is receiver, and because dog is receiver, so it is dative. So accordingly you can write the adjective ending in. Now what I want you all to do, this was the simplest example for you all for explanation purpose. Now you start making examples for me. Yeah, in this manner. Write proper explanation, why you have written that ending. Go through the genders. Yeah. And frame some sentences, at least 10 sentences you all have to frame, and do send it to me. First, write this part in your classwork notebook if you haven't written it, and then solve the examples in your homework notebook.